disgusting.
3, 2, 1, go.
This is disgusting.
Ew.
What does it taste
It's so gross.
Nothing.
Nothing.
No, it's just like candy.
like
Well, no
Twizzlers.
dip.
It's really hard to chew. What?
She shoved it in her mouth.
I'm done.
Me too.
Let's see who's going to finish next.
She doesn't even have the thing in her mouth yet.
Yes, I did. I took it out.
Oh,
How
yeah,
are you doing it that fast?
and then you can count.
Hold on. I'm about to choke.
Well,
I'm done. Actually, I'm still chewing.
I'm done.
I'm done. My mouth is empty.
All right.
How?
You almost done, Kaylee?
Can I eat another one?
Might as well. I'm still recording.
What?
She's gonna have to edit this. It's yours, we're done.
I'm gonna get a headache.